It's time for a post-workout snack. We gotta treat ourselves. I'm gonna be making one ingredient ice cream, which is amazing. It's just a frozen banana blended, and it tastes like soft serve ice cream, which is pretty amazing. You'd be surprised. You should definitely try it out. We're gonna vary it up a little bit though today. We're not just gonna be making one ingredient ice cream. We're gonna add a few other ingredients to this recipe. It's gonna be 2 bananas, 1 scoop of protein, a little bit of almond milk, and some cocoa nibs. Cocoa nibs gives it a good texture. That's a hit. That tastes good. And that's a great thing with this recipe is you start with the base of the frozen bananas, as I said. You can just use those and they taste well on their own, but you can also feel free to add ingredients. If you want to add maybe a little bit of powdered peanut butter, a different flavor of protein, feel free, because it's all going to make it taste just a little bit different. So I'm going to go ahead and enjoy my, well, it was 1 ingredient ice cream, but now it's about 4 ingredient ice cream. And another quick little tip when making this is when you freeze your bananas, make sure and take the skin off, crack them in half if you want to. Just makes it a whole hell of a lot easier. Put them in a little plastic baggie, throw them in your freezer, good to go. It's especially good if maybe you have a little too many bananas and you don't want them to go bad, so you just freeze them and then use them for this recipe. So hope you enjoy it, and until next time,